Right, so when you want to use Google Forms, this is what you do. You go to these 9 dots over here, click on that, and you'll find Forms down in this place here. When you open that up, it will open up a form for you. So what you can do here is either do a blank quiz or some kind of assessment or a worksheet. You can do any one of those. So let's do a quiz. Open that. Give your quiz a name. Let's call this one camera terms. And then you can start with your first question. Question 1. So what we can do here is take our terms that we've had from our worksheet and just paste them in to there. So what we can do is, I've got 2 there, so I'm just going to take 1 out. So let's use f-stop. So I want to use that word down in my answer section. So there's my question, something that stops something. And we're going to ask that as a question is what? When we come here, you can choose a multi-choice or checkbox. So let's go multi-choice. And then we can put all our options right over here. So let's make up some fake ones. Yes, stop. Pit stop. And then we can do the actual one, F stop. Right? So there's our question. There's our words or our options to choose. And then what we need to do, we can always carry on adding more, but I'd suggest maybe do 4 or 5 of them. What we can do then is go down to this section here and say required. We want the person to answer the question for sure. And then we can go to our answer key. Now that, you can put your point score over there. So 2 points, 1, whatever you want to do, be reasonable. 1 point is plenty. And then we can then choose the one that is actually correct. And what you can do here as well, if you want to give some feedback on the answer, click that one. And you can either give feedback on a incorrect answer. So if somebody clicks the wrong one, so they click on that one there, you can write a message there saying, no, it's not that one, it's actually f-stop. Or if they click on the correct one, you can say, yes, that's correct. F-stop is the answer. And you can give some information about what f-stop is just to reinforce what the person has really learned. Okay, so let's just assume that the answer is f-stop, and we'll say this is not the answer, but we'll just write something in there, something that stops something. That's not what f-stop means, by the way, but we'll just use that for this situation, and then go save. So when they click on the right one, that message will pop up there. We want to give that 1 mark. Now when we're done with that, we can then add a new question. Right? Click that one. If you want to, you can also add images into that. Or if you find a really good YouTube video, you can add the link in there and play the video for the person. And all we need to do is click that, and then you just drag that image in from your desktop into there. But we won't do that right now. Okay. Oops, I lost my form. Let's go back to blank quiz. Oh, I didn't save it. Oh, yes, I did. No, I didn't. Too bad. Okay, so that's basically how you will create your quiz, and you just keep adding question, question, question. Just remember to number your questions as you go. You can make as many questions as you need. Okay, I hope this is helpful, and I hope you can find your way through Google Forms. Thank you.